Well, you might be wondering what we're doing today. We're gonna go ahead and turn the well off out here and make sure that all the head pressure is off the well, so that way we don't have any freezing overnight. So let's get to it and let's get these all the head pressure off. Well, I've already turned off the power to the well. Now we're just gonna open up these spigots right here and let the head pressure come off and let them empty out. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other one up front. I'll see you up there in a second. And here we are at the second one. Let's go ahead and open this one up too. See if there's anything left. Looks like that one's out. So that's good. We're gonna go ahead and shut her down. So this is the inside of our well house here. It is a 25-gallon well tank. We just use it for outside use only. As you see, pressure gauge is at 0. I'm gonna go ahead and connect up a hose to this valve here and make sure it's completely empty. Well, we're just gonna open this up instead of connecting a hose. And we've got no water coming out. So we're good. It's not gonna get too awfully cold, so we're not gonna worry about putting the heat lamp in there. And it's supposed to be back above freezing tomorrow. So hopefully you guys learned something. Here's to living out here. Have a great day.